Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video I'll walk you through how to generate and embed a signing link in an iframe using the BoldSign Python SDK. If you're new to the BoldSign API, check out our previous videos. The links are available in the description. First, ensure that you have the BoldSign Python SDK installed. You can do that by running pip install BoldSign. Since I already have it installed, I'll verify it using pip show BoldSign. As you can see, the BoldSign package is installed. Before generating the signing link, you need to understand what a signing link actually is. A signing link is a secure, unique URL that takes the signer directly to the document's signing page. Instead of asking the user to sign the document via email, you can generate this link and embed it within your application, allowing users to sign without ever leaving your platform. Let me now show you how to generate this signing link. I'm switching to the developer documentation to create an embedded signing link. This API requires key details like the document ID and the signer's email address. Make sure the email you provide is associated with the document. Otherwise, the API will return an error. You can also specify the signer's country code and phone number, which should match what was set during document creation, or define how long the link should remain valid, and set a redirect URL to navigate the signer after they complete the signing. I copy the Python code snippet in the documentation and paste it into my script. Next, I update the code. In the API client, I set my API key to connect with the BoldSign services. If you haven't created your API key yet, you can do so from the BoldSign web app under the API keys section. Now, I need to set the document ID and the signer's email in my code. To find these, I switch to the BoldSign web app, expand the Documents section, and go to My Documents. I select the NDA document created using templates. If you are new, check the previous videos where I've covered how to send documents using templates. The link is in the description. Also, if you want the user to sign the document within your platform rather than via email, you need to enable the Disable Email property by setting it to true when sending the document. This prevents BoldSign from sending document-related emails to the recipients. I have already enabled this property when sending the document. Now, I copy the document ID and verify the signer's email. Back in my code, I paste the document ID and update the signer's email address accordingly. You can also pass additional properties like the signer's country code, phone number, or link expiration settings. However, I'm only passing the document ID and email for this example. Lastly, I print the embedded signing link from the API response and run the sample. The response returns a shareable signing link. Next, I'll guide you through embedding this URL in an iframe. For detailed instructions on this, refer to the developer documentation. Here's a sample code snippet for embedding the signing link in an iframe element. The signing link triggers the following client-side events. You can handle these events based on your requirements. I'll show you a demo of handling the onDocumentSigned event. Here is a code snippet for managing these events. First, I copy the code snippet for embedding the signing link in an iframe and paste it into my HTML. Next, I add the signing link to the iframe source attribute and adjust its height. Then, I copy the code snippet for handling client-side events and paste it into my HTML. In the onDocumentSigned event, I'll add an alert with the message Document Signed, which will be displayed once the signer has successfully completed the document signing process using the signing link. With all configurations completed, I run the sample. The BoldSign signing page will be displayed, allowing signers to agree to the terms and conditions and sign the document. When the document is signed, the onDocumentSigned event is triggered and the alert message appears. That's how the embedded signing link makes signing a document much easier and quicker. One important note: since anyone with the link can sign, always verify the signer's identity before granting access. You can use your application's existing authentication system to verify the signer before granting access to the signing link. This ensures that only authorized users can access the link and sign the document. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to our channel for more BoldSign API tutorial videos.